Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Fashion Star Gold. In today's tutorial, I want to teach you how to place a flounce on a sleeve. So I'm going to take the center of this top. So I measure it this way. This is 35 inches. But when you are measuring the flounce, you're going to add 5 inches. So you start from the center here to measure. That is, take like 40 inches. So if you don't know how to cut a flounce, I have a video on how to cut a flounce. Go to my channel. I'm going to attach the link to the video. Go to my channel, click on it and watch how to cut the basic flounce. If you know how to cut the flounce, it's not difficult, very easy. So what you're going to do, just do the marking where you place it, where you place the flounce. Mark it at the center or at the midpoint of the sleeve. Mark it to the end. When you finish marking it, take out the flounce this way. Start from here to sew. Sew the flounce this way. If you want to gather it a little, or you place it a little, you can place it, but it's a standing flounce. You can place it one. The place should not be too close. Should not be too close. As we are placing it, it's going. Place it this way, little by little. Place it this way. Don't let it be too close to it. Place it. The plating should not be much. Maybe like 3 inches apart. Or 4 inches apart. You now place it to the end. When you place it to the end, you cut it off. But it must be at the midpoint of the sleeve. You must run this way to the end. It will start from here and run it to the end. It's very simple. You have to join the sleeve, but don't join this other end. Don't join this side. Don't join this side yet. Open it and keep. Open it into two like this. Then start to sew it. Sew it to the end. So it's very easy. That is how to place a flounce. As I said, if you don't know how to cut the basic flounce, go to my channel. I have a video on how to cut the flounce. It will help you. So we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. It's a new channel. Support me. Thank you so much. Bye.